Have you ever felt like you've outgrown your 9 to 5, or maybe your life has shifted, but your income and work haven't? If you've been wondering how to build a flexible business that actually fits your life right now, especially in midlife, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to share why bookkeeping is the best business for midlife women and how I can help you start. Let's do a quick recap of my last video. So in my last video, I introduced myself and I shared a bit about my journey of who I am and who's behind Grace and Profit. Today, I want to talk to you about the what I do, and why I believe I'm uniquely qualified to help other women, especially midlife women, start remote bookkeeping businesses. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm Suki. I'm your host for today. Let's get into it. So here's what I do in a nutshell. So we're talking about the what. Last time we talked about who I am. So the what I do in a nutshell, I help midlife women start and grow successful remote bookkeeping businesses. Why bookkeeping? Because it's a business that checks all of the boxes. And those boxes are low startup costs. You don't need a huge investment to get started. It's high in demand. Every business needs bookkeeping. It's flexible. You can set your own schedule and work from home or wherever you want. It's also a scalable business. You can start small, right where you are, then grow into a full-time income or beyond. And the best part about a remote bookkeeping business, you don't need to already be an accountant to begin. I'll guide you step by step. So you may ask, who is this woman? How is she qualified to do anything for me? Well, let's talk about it. Why am I qualified to help you? Well, I am a trained, certified public accountant, and I have been so for over 30 years. I have worked as a CPA. I have worked as a bookkeeper. I own my own accounting practice where I perform bookkeeping, write-up services, consulting services, and tax services. And I'm an overall well-rounded accounting professional. So I have a bachelor's degree in accounting, and I've been in the field, like I said, over 30 years, working for nonprofits, small businesses, entertainment companies, small, mid-sized, large businesses, whatever you can think of, I've probably worked in it because I've been in this so long. But beyond the technical side, I understand the life side as well. And I'll explain to you why I believe bookkeeping has been a saving grace for me, and it's something that I know could help other women in a shift in their career, and someone that's burnout with their job or really wants freedom. You know, I've been there where I've been burnt out, I've been laid off, I've been treated poorly. And so running my own accounting practice for over 10 years was really an amazing experience. And I want to share that experience with you. And being in midlife, it's, you get to the point where you want freedom, not only time, but, money and, location. You want to be able to do what you want to do on your terms. And I believe a remote bookkeeping business can help you do that. So I've been in the trenches with this for a long time. So this isn't theory for me. I live this experience with real clients and real results. That's why I'm so passionate about teaching women how to do it in this season. And I really want to be where I believe God wants me to be. Am I 100% sure? No. but I do know 100% that I have a burning desire on the inside to do this and help other women like me in my age bracket and beyond. So if you're younger, if you're older, I know I can help you. So the next thing, I guess I want to talk about, why is remote bookkeeping business perfect for a woman in midlife or beyond? You know, well, bookkeeping is a pretty powerful avenue for women in this age bracket because, first of all, women in our age bracket bring wisdom, we bring discipline, and we have people skills that younger entrepreneurs don't always have at this point. We've been through a lot. And I know, one, for me, I'm ready for freedom. That's why I know people in my age bracket, they're ready for time freedom, financial stability, and location freedom without sacrificing their life. You're in a point in your life where you just want to enjoy your life, but you still need to make money and you want to be paid what you're worth. And that's what I'm here for, to help you figure that out. And so I think this is a solid thing for women. And this is not a passing trend, because you're always going to need bookkeeping and accounting and tax services. So I believe a remote bookkeeping business that grows with you is very sustainable, whether you want to start part-time or expand that. You have the ability to choose what you want. You can choose your clients. You can choose the type of businesses you want to work in. You can create a business that I believe is sustainable and flexible for this season in your life and the next. So if you've ever wondered, is it too late for me to start something new? Let me reassure you, it's not too late. In fact, this may be the perfect time. And I say it may be because I encourage you to pray about it, seek God's wisdom, and have a peace and an assurance within that this is something that you want to do, because it does take work. I'm not going to lie, but it's quick work. It's easy work in a sense if you dedicate your time and your efforts to it. So on this channel, I'll be sharing how to get started in bookkeeping and how to find clients, how to build a business that you love. If this resonates with you, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. And tell me in the comments, if you could start a remote business, what's the number one thing you want it to give you? Is it time, freedom, or income? What is it that you want your next business, excuse me, or your first business to give you? I'll show you all of these things in the videos to come, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for your time, and please click on the link in the description, and it's going to give you a link to my wait list for when the course actually comes out. And then for staying to the end, you get this gem. I am going to be picking 5 to 10 people to either take the course for free. And all I ask is that you give me a review, an honest review. And then 5 to 10 people that can get it at a discounted rate. So please be sure to click the link below and sign up to be on the wait list. And then with that, you'll get a free download of an ebook that I wrote about, so you're thinking about starting a bookkeeping business. I think it'll bless you. And with everything, I'll leave you with, always seek God and pray. If something doesn't give you peace, step back until you get peace, or move on to something else. God bless you. Have an amazing day.